3, 2, 1.
Okay, good morning everybody. Good morning. Okay, thank you for coming to this presentation. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ayu. I'm an executive from Ria Depok. I'm going to tell you about the way of using hijab easily. I'm going to speak for about 5 minutes, and then my presentation is divided into 3 parts. At first is the reason of women don't want to use hijab, and the second is the tools in using hijab, and the last is the example of using hijab. Okay, I'll start at first the reason of women don't want to use hijab. Okay, in this era, some women consider that hijab is necessary. And then it will be not free if we wear hijab because we cannot do everything freedom, and then it looks not attractive. After that, it's not comfortable because we feel dizzy and hot while wearing hijab, and then it's complicated. It's very complicated because we don't know how to use hijab easily. So that's why at the third part, I would like you to use hijab easily. Okay, and the second part, the tools in using hijab. At first, recognize the shape of our face. We can divide our face into 3 parts. First, for the square face and round face. After that, oval face. For the square face, it's better you use hijab from simple material. And for the square face, it's better you use Turkish style. And last, the round face, it's better you use the hijab from cotton material. And second, make sure the hijab is clean and tidy. After that, adjust and match with your clothes to look beautiful and exactly, and then choose the right motif of the hijab. For the small motif like small motif, it's suitable for the identity clothes, but for the round big motif, it's not suitable for the round face. And then choose the right accessories for the hijab, and then don't forget to pay attention to your comfort. Now, I'll give you the example of using hijab easily. Okay, from the simple cotton shawl, let's see the picture and this instruction. At first, you may put the cotton shawl with a shorter side the other, and second pin on the back of the hat, and for the third and fourth hat, take the long side into the front. And the next step, take it around the hat, and then take left and the right side, make it neatly with pin. Okay. Yeah, it's easy, right? Okay. It's simple. Maybe we can take just 2 or 3 minutes to do it. Okay. You may take a long time to cover your chest, or just let them drop in front of your chest. Okay. And another simple way to them. Okay, let's see the picture again. At first, use your inner necklace and then put your scarf in the middle, the two sides of equivalent, and then pull to one side and secure by pin. Okay, and next, drag it into the top of your needle. Secure again with your safety pin at the 6th step. See the photos and pin the needle at a designated place. Okay, and then take your brush and after that pull the veil behind your ears and put the brush. Okay. Okay, and after that twist the Daniel side like this. Okay, okay. It's easy, right? Yeah. Okay. Very simple. Okay. My conclusion is you'll never regret if you don't get hurt. From this message, you don't be shy. Don't be afraid to make something new. Okay. And then you'll never learn if you don't make mistakes. Don't be afraid to make mistakes because we don't know we can do it or not. We will not to try it before. After that, you will never be successful if you don't encounter